Hello there. Welcome to Lead Routing Basic Training. Today we'll talk about the basics of PMA's lead routing feature and how it will help you grow your property management business. Let's dive in. Growing your property management business isn't as easy as simply generating leads. You have to close your leads too. PMA makes this easy by mapping your leads to specific lead types, what we call lead routing. Let's dive in. First, let's walk through the basics of our lead routing feature. Our smart sites are built to be lead generation centric. Let's start with the lead form. Notice the form meant to produce leads into specific buckets or types. You'll treat a tenant lead differently than a prospective client lead. Now, let's jump into the Smart Site app. First, you'll click the Contacts tab. You'll notice this is where your leads are organized. Your leads are split into several types or buckets. Leads, tenants, current clients, and vendors all have their own category. Or you can search and interact with all of your leads. To edit, delete, or change the type of a lead, you simply click the lead, make your edit and hit save. Only one slide to go. Let's talk about how to route your leads to the right person on your team. To route your leads to the correct team member, click the gear icon on the top right of the screen. Next, add the email of the team member you would like to receive the leads for this lead type. Pro tip: you can add multiple people within each category. Finally, to interact with leads within the app, you can click to call and click to email using third-party tools like Gmail or a Chrome extension. To wrap things up, here's what we covered today. The lead process starts on your smart site. Your website is built to generate leads and route them seamlessly into your backend app. Within the app, your leads are organized to eliminate as much friction as possible to ensure prompt follow-up. Finally, you can map your leads to the correct employee on your team. If you haven't set up lead routing, make sure to set this up today. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to your PMA advisor. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.